more toward the
I
camera.
want you to see.
We're recording
Wait
now.
for Isabella, wait.
What could
Okay. Whatever color comes out of that cake.
that person
You
be
tell us
carrying
what
there?
Which I cut it right in the question.
Is it a boy or is it a girl? We'll find out shortly.
It's a baby.
It's a cake.
The suspense is suspenseful.
Oh.
Dude,
I think I saw
I
some
think
pink.
I saw some.
What is it? Isabella?
You got the wrong cake.
Wrong cake.
You were right, Isabella.
You can have a sister.
I lose.
You excited?
Alex is upset.
You're upset, buddy? You're having a sister. You want a
It's
sister?
part of the He-Man Haters Club.
Yeah.
Girl?
Lucy?
Yeah, Lucy?
Congratulations.
And he's got a little bit of nose.
Oh,
Great.
You're welcome.
All right, who owes me money?